Hey guys, this is Michael Minitel with Heartland RV. Today we are in a Gravity 3340 from Heartland. I want to take you around some of the interior features today, kind of show you what's new for 2021. Coming in the door, you can see we have a pretty large entertainment system, big screen TVs in all these units. New for 2021 is actually our JBL sound system, Bluetooth capable, which is great. Actually comes with a subwoofer as well. So as far as watching the TV, you want to hook up some music while you're tailgating, really good for entertaining. You'll also notice the amount of storage we have right up front is pretty great. So just overall storage, you really can't get enough in these units. Coming into the kitchen here with the Gravities, you'll notice all Gravities have our LG high mat countertops. They are antimicrobial, non-porous, really a great countertop to have in your coach. You'll also notice stainless steel appliances from your reefer to your hood to your microwave. Nice oven size as well in these. You'll notice we have actually a nice ledge here too, so as far as entertainment, you need to place food up here. Good little ledge to have. Coming to our slide outs, you'll notice we have super high slide height in these. Also windows throughout your coach, which is nice to get some natural sunlight in. Also notice a nice 4-seat love seat. These actually all recline, and with these cup holders you actually get USB ports, so you want to charge your phone when you're sitting down watching the TV. Really nice feature to have. With the 3340, you're going to get a nice 13-foot garage with these units. Also new for 2021, we're doing frame welded tie downs, so we'll give you a really nice peace of mind to keep your motorcycle side by side, stuff like that in here. Also, you can notice Happy Jack beds that will recline down, keep the kids up there when they're staying overnight. Also, more patio kits will come with these, which is great. Have those out while you're tailgating, really good for entertainment. Appreciate you guys taking the time to walk around the Gravity 3340. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at heartlandrvs.com.